And welcome back to your Midday Sports. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Up first, news on track and field. Excelsior High School's head coach David Riley has declined to confirm whether or not rumors that he could take up the head coaching job at Jamaica College are true. Jamaica College are on the hunt for a new head coach after the departure of Neil Harrison. Now, Harrison guided JC to boys title in 2021 at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships 2 years after taking over the program. This ended a 10-year drought. However, after second place finishes to Kingston College in the last few editions, his contract was not renewed. Now, with rumors in some quarters that Riley could be in line to take over the role, TVJ sports reporter Garfield Jones put the question to Riley on Tuesday.
And ladies and gentlemen, that's where I take my leave for the afternoon session.
Yes,
and help me welcome.
I don't answer to rumors.
Is there any truth to the speculation that you may be at Jamaica College come next season?
Not that I know.
Under Riley, Excelsior boys jumped 4 places at Champs in 2024 to finish 4th behind KC, JC and Calabar with 112 points, while the girls were 8th behind winners Edwin Allen. Now, Riley guided Wolmer's boys to the Champs title in 2010. To news in football, Reggae Boys captain Andre Blake has reassured the nation that he will be ready for Jamaica's opening CONCACAF second round World Cup qualifier against the Dominican Republic on June 6 at the National Stadium. Blake has missed the last 4 games with the Philadelphia Union due to a knee injury and has been limited to just 5 starts in 12 games so far in 2024. The Union are expecting to have Blake again between the sticks on Saturday against Charlotte FC in the US Major League. Now, that's good news for the Reggae Boys coaching staff, which has been made to sweat on the goalkeeper's fitness. However, Blake says things are on the up.
It's a little knock. It's nothing too serious. It's a day by day, but hopefully soon I'll be back on the pitch. I'm back in training now, so hopefully I'll be ready for the upcoming games.
Blake. Following the game against the Dominican Republic on June 6, the Reggae Boys will travel to Dominica for their second game in 3 days. In hockey, Dembe are through to the semi-final of the Issa Jamaica Hockey Federation Under 16 semi-finals following their 2-0 win over Excelsior High at the Mona Hockey Field on Tuesday night. Tyler Gray scored in minutes 12 and 32. The win propelled Dembe to 3rd in the standings and ousted Excelsior. Dembe will take on KC in semi-final 1, with the other seeing Monroe College opposing Jamaica College. Finally, in basketball, defending Eastern Conference champions Boston Celtics took a 1-0 lead in their best-of-7 conference final against the Indiana Pacers following a 133-128 overtime win on Tuesday night. The Celtics' Jaylen Brown scored a 3-pointer with 6 seconds remaining to level the scores at 117 apiece and to take the game to overtime at the TD Garden in Boston. Jason Tatum, who finished with 36 points, scored a 3-pointer, and Derek White a layup in quick succession inside the final minute to make the game safe for the top-seeded Celtics. The Pacers gave up 21 turnovers, including shortly before Brown's late 3-pointer. Now, the winners of the best-of-7 series will face the Minnesota Timberwolves or the Dallas Mavericks, who meet in Game 1 of the Western Conference Final tonight. And that's all the time we have for your Midday Sports Report. Shamila, it's back to you.
Thank you, Giovanni. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamila Pulena. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.